All right, I'm back at Adidas. Gonna pick up my shirt that I had custom made from this morning. Gotta see how this came out. Pretty excited. Definitely a touristy thing to do, but you know, I'm a tourist. So we just made it to Hong Kong. Well, actually, we just had some breakfast and we are now gonna walk the promenade. We had a 2 a.m. flight out of New York, and I don't even know what time it is now, but we've been up for a long time, but we're at it. We're gonna go check out the scenes. Come join us. Walking the promenade, we ran into some construction, but we found a great ramp here that will work. Pretty humid today. Pretty hot. Just adding to the sweat from our no showering in our airplane here. All right, we're waiting for Hong Kong Adidas to open. It's a little after 10 a.m. One website said 10 a.m., another one said 10:30, and another one said noon. So hopefully we'll give it to 10:30, but we're trying to get some exclusive Hong Kong merch. What are you excited to get?
Like a shirt with like some exclusive panda patches, like one big one in the front and the rest in the back.
All right, well, you heard it. I think they got some really cool looking Hong Kong patches, so we'll see what we can find.
So we've been waiting for this store to open. However, there is a step, which means we're gonna have to figure out how to get them in. Here we go. Gates are opening. Big obstacle. There's no ramp. Why don't you ask them to see if they have?
Hey, do you have an accessible entrance at all? Like a ramp? Not so. Okay, so just stairs? Yeah.
Looks like they don't even have an elevator. Okay.
No elevators inside. Bring your chair in, park it somewhere, and we're just gonna have to hold her up the escalators, see how it goes.
Okay.
Let's give it a shot.
Do it. Stay. He's gonna put her in onto the chair.
All right.
Where can we put it? Did you say?
Yep. Okay. Thank you.
All right, you ready, girls?
All right, let's go get our gear. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Chairs over there.
All right, third floor we go.
Good things Daddy's big and strong, right?
Wow, Adidas! Well, we gotta go one more, right?
Step up. Made for you merch.
There's some on the other side.
Yeah, there's some here. There's that side. Look at the ones up top there. Look at those. Those are cool.
We just have it on top.
That's cool. Getting to the third floor for those exclusive patches was our first real hurdle. Even at a massive flagship store like this, there was a step to get in and there wasn't even an elevator. To top it off, they didn't even have any kids sizes. But we didn't let it sour the mood. The girls still helped design a custom shirt, and we headed back out to soak up the city where Mama was born. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Where are you?
In Hong Kong.
All right.
The waterfront.
This is the chick that I went to see in concert. Love this girl. Are your hands like Miriam Young's hands?
No.
First night in Hong Kong in the elevator. We just got out from our nap, so we're gonna venture out, hopefully see the Symphony of Lights and get some food. The vibe is so fun right now. There's a lot of people out walking, families, kids, people out running, exercising. Really nice out, and just this view is fantastic. There's a ramp. Oh, we do smell butter. Let's get some food. Oh, so yeah, they're else can have any of this stuff. We found what we are looking for. Max's Noodles. At Max's Noodle. Very excited. We were looking for this place and we found it.
And we found it.
I think it's Michelin starred. We'll double check, but I think it is. So we are excited. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5.
10 out of 10.
Real good. All right, I'm back at Adidas. Gonna pick up my shirt that I had custom made from this morning. Gotta see how this came out. Pretty excited. Definitely a touristy thing to do, but you know, I'm a tourist. Sweet, thank you. Thanks.
Here goes Chloe. Excuse me. Pre-love store that we like to go to in Tokyo. Everything is still open. Gosh, I miss that sound. A lot less neon lights though. Oh, you're right. We're in New York. All the Christmas ornaments, what? Mommy would shop all the time. Giordano.
Some say the best part of traveling is the unexpected, and we find the real joy is embracing these unexpected challenges together as a family. Between the bustling crowds and the tricky logistics, Hong Kong showed us the true spirit of being inclined to adventure. Day 1 is in the books, we found our groove, and we're so ready to see what tomorrow brings. Thanks for adventuring with us.
Excuse me. Come up here. You smell it? That's the stinky tofu. You want to try it? Okay, go forward.
Back view of our hotel. Heading back in.
Good night, Hong Kong. See you in the morning.